Tyler Hoffmann is a friend of mine. He's a very talented individual. And remember that name, Brenton Tyler Hoffmann.
The Ryan's got that a lot of skill.
Hey, this is Brenton Hoffmann with WTV Networks. I'm actually here with Kenneth Monroe. Brought you out again tonight, man.
I'm all about supporting a great cause. The cancer charity. It was a great event. Everybody was spectacular, and I'm on WTV.
What projects are you up to?
Well, actually, I just did Mansion of Blood, starring Gary Busey, Sally Kirkland, Terry Moore. So, and then the Real Hollywood Film as well, which is a documentary on the whole inner workings of Tinseltown and what really goes down. You're watching On the Mic.
From the Rally for Kids with Cancer Scavenger Cup.
Okay. What inspired you to get involved with the charity?
Fortunately, I had some kids who were suffering with cancer. I'm the largest fundraiser in Canada for the Hospital for Sick Kids. Eva Longoria has come on board to be the face of the event.
That's awesome. Yeah, I heard that Eva Longoria was actually pretty big on charity. She's been doing that for a while.
Tyler Hoffmann, aka the Walking Miracle Warrior.
And, okay, so yes, this guy is a miracle.
How are you, man? It's been a while. Yeah, it has, man. How you doing? Good. Quite a few things, actually. Obviously nominated for the Resilience Award 2019 that's here. So I'm pretty stoked on that. I'm a co-author. I was in the J.T. Fox's success book, Results Don't Lie, so I've been featured in that. So that's pretty cool. And then also in Eric Zuli's new book, The Influencer Effect. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, it's been good. But I'm a hip-hop recording artist. I just put my album out, and so it's on all the major platforms worldwide, like Spotify and iTunes and iHeartRadio and stuff like that. So, and just nominated for the Resilience Award, so that's what I'm here. So what inspired you to get involved with the project?
Well, what happened is I wanted to update the law of attraction and how it affects people.
Yeah, absolutely. What are you working on right now after this film?
I did the TV show The World's Greatest Motivators with Bob Proctor, Les Brown.
I heard about that. How are you, Hannah?
Good, how are you?
I'm amazing.
Awesome.
So how did you get in this film? How did it come about?
Well, I was actually at an event and I met Jeff Levine and we just met, and it was one of those things where it was like, hey, I'm doing this movie, and that was one of my favorite movies that I've ever seen. He says, well, do you want to be in the movie? And yes, it kind of happened that way. I believe it's because of The Secret, because I remember watching it and thinking, gosh, I want to do something like this, and I wanted it so badly that it literally came to me.
So, you're pretty amazing, man. You do a lot of stuff in the industry with neuroscience and all that stuff,
over the world, yes.
Yeah, and NLP, is that correct?
That's correct.
Yeah.
One of the first trained in the world. So the thing about this film, what is it that you're most excited about?
Looking at the preview, I saw that it looked like people are using it in the wrong way. It's all about the money and the materialistic things, and even though there's nothing wrong with those things, but it's not all about that.
Correct.
Here with the amazing Dennis Waitley. This man has done so much for the industry, and I met him back in...
it's been 10 years.
Yeah, it's been 10 years. It was at the Success Symposium, and he has an amazing memory, and he remembered me, but so great to see you again. So what keeps you going? What's your secret?
My secret is to hang around young people and to make sure that I always wake up every day trying to help somebody. And I've been training Olympians for so long that I realize practice makes permanent. So I'm bringing a little bit of the Olympic movement here, and also the Apollo program.
Yes, I remember that. So this man, does he even need an introduction? Look at him.
Who am I?
He's from the original Secret movie, you know what I'm saying? So,
Great to see everybody. We're so excited for Beyond the Secret, The Awakening, and a few new secrets in this movie that people are going to love.
Hey, how's it going? This is Brenton Hoffmann, Beyond the Secret, Awakening. I'm here with the incomparable, amazing Joe Vitale. This man really needs no introduction. Originally part of the Secret movie, the blockbuster film. He's done tons of things. Your relationship with Dr. Hugh Lynn.
Right. Zero Limits, Zero,
for years, ever since the very beginning.
Wow, I was wondering who that was behind me. Yeah, it was you.
So what's your secret to the secret? I think people really want to know.
Well, I'll tell you, I have a new book coming out called Money Loves Speed.
And the real secret is when you get an idea for a product or service, whether it's a song, an album, a business, a book, money like speed. That means act on it.
Where can people follow you on social media and keep updated with all your fun adventures?
So it's my urls.com/Brenton Tyler. It's a verified celebrity. So. If you're not doing it the easy way, then you're doing it the hard way. Brenton Tyler Hoffmann, the Walking Miracle Warrior, over and out.